Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our second project using the Paradise Garden Bundle, and I've pulled in the Garden Poetry Designer Series paper for this one. This one's Calypso Coral. This one will be Blueberry Bushel. And I wanted to show how using the dies, you can create a card front with them. In the intro, I talked about using the dies like this one and the hexagon to create lots of card fronts. So that's what I've done with this one. I took these ones and I ran them through the Paradise Garden embossing folder just to give it just that little bit of texture because it was kind of plain without it. I'm going to do something slightly different for the video today. I'm using the hexagons and I've stamped them with the leaf stamp in Blueberry Bushel instead of running it through the folder because I wanted to show you that there's more than one way to kind of add that element of texture to a card. So, and I finished it off with the Charming Shimmer Faceted Gems, which will also work for this one as well. This Garden Poetry Designer Series paper is absolutely amazing. I love it. And this is, of course, the back, but it is just as pretty as the front. But for this, I would like to use the flowers and the leaves. So I'm just going to pop that down like that. Super, super simple. And then we're just going to lay out our hexagons that I have already stamped. Now I cut them first and then stamped them out. And I really like the effect of having that little edge there that is empty because I stamped after I inked. The ink didn't reach that. So it really makes that little border pop. If you don't want that little edge, do your stamping first and then die cut out. So we're just going to place these down, making sure we're kind of equal distance. This, I've already put dimensionals on the back, will pop down right about here. And then we'll add some dimensionals. What I was playing with too is doing some of the flowers and scattering the flowers around. But I really kind of wanted the Designer Series paper to do the work here. So I'm just going to pop this one down here like this. And it doesn't matter if your stamp, your leaves are going in the same direction. It actually adds movement if they aren't. So I'm just going to pop that down like that. Then we'll add some adhesive to this one and pop it down. I'm doing this so that there's kind of almost an equal distance between all the pieces. And then we're going to pop this down. You could put some ribbon behind this. You could, as I say, you could add the flowers and die cut them out. I'm going to pop this down right like this. It's going to overlap, but I've got it dimensionalized so it really pops it up. And let's put some of those gems on. These are Misty Moonlight, or Night of Navy, whichever one you want. But I am going to use them on this card because I think they will go very, very nicely. There are so many different tones in the paper in the background that they are a really good fit. Pop that one down there like that. And then we're going to pop one over here like this. So those are 2 more cards using the Paradise Garden. Super, super simple, really quick to make, but really, really pretty and effective. So it's using the dies to create your card front. So let me know what colors you would do this in, or how you would do it differently. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.